Governor Monday Okpebholo don carry in cheche waka go see the ongoing 36-kilometer Utako-Unewa-Eworah-Uromi Road project, and he don assure the people say the project go dey of high quality. The governor wey lead top government ogas dem go check the project receive praise and prayers from the community members wey show am gratitude say dem area wey dem no look before now don get attention. Governor Okpebholo also still go check the Anchor Road and Udomi Primary School wey the construction still dey different stages. For the visit, Oga Governor tok say in government go continue to focus on practical governance to make sure say people go sabi the real benefits of democracy. Say in dey focus on projects wey go dey tangible, wey the people go fit see and benefit from.
The most important thing is what we are doing, in line with the president's agenda. That is what you see we are doing. This is, as I keep saying, practical governance, and that is what we are demonstrating. This road is about 36 kilometers. So we are getting there by the grace of God.
The contractor wey dey do the project, Michael Rizik, for im part talk say the road go connect about 8 communities and go make them easy to reach and develop. E con still talk say the project go finish in 2 years' time.
Starting from the federal road, from inside Uromi, and it's leading to the road connected to Okpebholo after Udomi Afuda, all the way down. As you see, we have started doing the concrete drain, collecting the water from the main road up to the stream down. You can see here the progress for the laterite. Very soon you will see stone base and asphalt coming on top of it.
Okay. How many villages is it going to cover?
About 8. Completion, the contract award is 2 years duration. Hopefully within the 2 years we will be completing the scope. The complete project is 2 years duration. Side drainage is done wherever there is slope to take out the water. Most probably you see the drainage in front of the area up to the stream, and of course inside the village you see the quality of the existing drain. In the future you will see different quality, the one you saw on the other side.
Community members contrary salute to the governor for opening the community with the road project, said the past government not even pay attention to them before. Say the people of Udomi, Unewa and other communities wey go benefit from the road, they happy as the road go help economy grow and bring ogbonge development to the area.
Not get school. Yes. It's not speak to the Duan. Yes. You see, the Duan now God go press her.
Yes. We know see before we don't pass here again. And we go to the pass and say aeroplane, they go aerodrome. No, here, now everybody they pass. Now, no. But not the fall for whole again. No, road for my motor now, I don't pack up for motor. No gallop again. Everything they pass. Very good. Thank you very much. Yes,
the road is fine. No road before. But the time when you come to government, that road can't open. We don't go low, don't go light, don't go everything. Thanks very much. My name is Gabriel Nabo.
This our school is not like this before. But since when this man step on governor, everything about here is clean. Okpebholo, our governor Okpebholo, everywhere is clean. You can see everywhere is beautiful. It's trying. We like the work, the good work that is working. We appreciate.
Make una not forget say, as we see him, now so we dey talk him. We not to take blame. From Edo Central, Ekata Ojisoli, TMC TV News.